Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Everyone. Spring Batch application converting DB table records to CSV file. It's just a reverse now, boss. In our first application, we converted CSV data to DB table record. But here we are converting what? DB table records to CSV file. The reverse of the regular process, right, boss? Okay. Yesterday, wrong file is uploaded. Why it is happening, Rabab? 13, 14, 15. 3 days I didn't share. Natraz Java Arena. 16th May I have selected now, boss. Yesterday, May 16th. Oh, this is acha. Today's file I have uploaded. Fine. Got it, guys. Spring NTSP615. Okay, Spring Batch. This is 12th May. This is 15th May. Sort by date, guys. We'll sort by date. Yeah, for 3 days together, single file I prepared. And I'm going to upload single file for 3 days together. Let's come back. Yeah, today's file is already uploaded, guys. Don't worry. Use case, sending bank account statement to customer from DB table in the form of Excel sheet or CSV file. That's the number one. Giving water list to PS, polling station, to the leader, police station leader, PS leader, has the CSV file by collecting information from DB table. By collecting information from DB table. Next, university publishing selected student for different companies. Array, university also selected. Publishing list of students who have not paid fees. Publishing list of customer in the society, showing their power bill details. And in all these things, we need conversion of DB table data to this, guys. For reading data from DB table, you can use JDBC cursor item reader. Okay. T for template, nothing but model class. And for writing processed data to CSV file or JSON file or text file. Array, all are same, Babu. Flat file item writer. Other day we used flat file item reader. Today I'm going for this one. DB script creating huge number of random records in MySQL DB table. MySQL DB table. See, guys, create database using exam underscore data. Already there, guys, I'm using exam underscore data is one logical database, guys. Exam underscore data is one logical database. Understanding my statement, guys? Okay. Exam underscore data. Yeah, done, guys. Yeah, next one. Use database, get into that database. Actually, I have given with respect to command prompt, guys, but I'm showing in this place. Next, create table. Create table. In that SQL prompt, I am creating table. ID, DOB, semester, percentage. ID begin auto increment. DOB timestamp, current timestamp. Okay. Semester percentage. Primary key ID, guys. Primary key ID. This is step number 3, boss. Step number 4, guys. I created one procedure, guys. I created one procedure. Just copy paste this procedure on the prompt. Okay. Procedure. Yeah. While 50,000 insert DOB percentage semester. Anyhow, ID will come auto incrementally. Tell me DOB, some formula, some timestamp, all this thing. And percentage around rand of 10 comma to some value, some random value. And semester is always 1. But I value I am incrementing always 1 plus 1. 1 plus I is equal to I plus 1. Semester value I am increment. And delimiter. 50,000 time. Step 5, call procedure. Call generate underscore exam underscore result. This is the procedure name, guys. If you call it, it takes 35 to 40 minutes to insert the records. Okay. After that, if you say exam result, so nearly you will get 50K records, guys. And I want to give the feeling huge amount of data is there. I want to give the feeling huge amount of data is there. Okay. Actually, I have opened SQL workbench here now. 1 minute. I'll try to open my SQL prompt. Run SQL command line. SQL command. This is coming for Arkil Rabo. Oh, how to check for MySQL, guys? How to check for MySQL? MySQL command line. Password is root. Okay. Use exam underscore data. Super. Next. Select star from. Okay. Exam underscore result. Array, that procedure creation, all these things are already done, Rabab. Yeah, I think so many records I have added there. Huge number of so many records I have added there. I think 30,000, 40,000. Okay. I think I have taken more than 50,000 other day, it seems. This is just 7,000 only, Rabab. Okay, I think you got the idea how much big it is. Okay, how much big it is. Right. Okay, next storyboard for batching. Okay, DB table to CSV file. MySQL database software exam result, guys. Fine. Create a data source object and link reader object to. Yeah, this is JDBC cursor item reader. Fine. Okay, in that one, reader object, link to reader object by calling reader.setDataSource. Easy, guys. Next. Specify select SQL query to get the records from DB table. Reader.setSQL. Select ID, DOB, percentage, SEM from exam underscore result. Cool, guys. This is very important. So this will give bunch of record into result set object. We have to convert each record of result set object into one model class object. Each record of result set object into one model class object. For that purpose, we have to take the support of row mappers, guys. Array, we are not using Spring Data JPA, na? Things will not happen automatically. We are using Spring JDBC. What is that? Row mapper. Reader dot set row mapper. What is that, guys? Reader dot set row mapper. Tell me what happens, guys. Yeah, set row mapper. This set row mapper converts each retrieved record into one model class object. One model class object. Yes, guys. This is our model class object. Super, guys. This model class object is given to item processor as input. Item processor as input. Did you notice that, guys? This model class object is given to item processor as, are you listening my statement, guys? Item processor as input. What this will do, you know, it will write okay, process only, filter only those students whose percentage is greater than or equal to 85. Okay. Filter only those students whose percentage is, those filtered record again will be given in the form of exam result object only. Only the thing is filtered records, guys. Filtered records. Now tell me, this exam result is given to whom? Flat file item writer. Flat file item writer. Understanding my statement? So input is exam result, output is also exam result. Clear, my dear? Got the clarity? Come on. Yeah, here is my flat file item reader, guys. Writer, guys. Specify name and location of the CSV file. Here, destination file, guys. Destination file. Okay. Right, boss. Next one. This is very, very important. Everyone, please focus. Okay. Now, listen carefully. Specify field extractor to get the content from model class object to fields. Model class object to fields, guys. Now, listen. Mapper is to convert each record into model class object. Again, field extractor is for what purpose, guys? What is the field extractor? To get each data, each record, each line content from model class object. Okay, guys. To get each line of CSV content from model class object. That is field extractor, guys. You will get specify line aggregator to prepare lines in CSV file using above field values, having specified delimiter comma. Having specified delimiter comma. This collects the data from model class object. Come on. And gives to what? This line aggregator. What this line aggregator will prepare the line, okay, by collecting the values from model class object and separate them with commas. Separates them with commas. Simply literally separates them with commas. Simply literally separate them with commas. Then when each line comes to, guys, writes to destination. Writes to destination repository. Writes to destination repository. Okay. Reads from DB table. Reads from DB table, guys. Reads from DB table. I think you got the clarity, guys. Okay, now tell me, entire process is same, Babu. Only few things will change. Right, boss. See, guys. Yeah, required starters in project. Spring Batch, MySQL driver, Lambda API, JDBC API. So shall I start creating the project, guys? We'll do parallel development now. So we'll do parallel because now we are a matured students, guys. Yes, guys. File title, CSV to DB still there. Ayo. File open. Spring NTSP 615 Spring Batch. DB. Done, boss. Okay, let's see this 615 boot extension. Don't worry, we'll involve MongoDB. We'll try to involve Spring Data JPA in the conversion process. Many permutation and combinations I am going to show. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Close all, guys. Oh, it's taking time. Huh? Close all editors, boss. Yeah, you want these projects in the GitHub I'll keep these 3 projects in the Git meanwhile. Did I forgot to open your ID? Already placed in now, boss. Not placed now. Only last project I have to place, it seems, right? Okay. Team guys, share projects guys, finish. Share projects guys, finish. Done. File, new project, Spring Starter project, guys. Okay. Boot batch, pros 2. I think pros 4, pros 4. What is this? DB table to CSV. DB table to CSV. DB table to CSV, guys. Okay, project name should not have spaces. Say next. DB table to CSV, guys. Say next. After that, what next, boss? Lambak required. Okay, next Spring batch is required. Next, MySQL driver is required. Next, MySQL driver is required. After that, what next, guys? JDBC API. Spring JDBC API is required. Anything else, guys? Enough. Say finish. Say finish. Okay. All jars are added, guys. Necessary jars are added. Okay. Let's create packages first. Packages. com.nt.reader is ready-made, writer is ready-made. Processor is user-defined. Nice. Next. Package com.nt.listener. Ready. Next, new package com.nt. Come on. com.nt. Reader. com.nt.reader. Not reader, listener. Listener will take, guys. LISTENER, listener. Already taken, fine. Okay. Model class, boss. We'll take model class. Next. Package, my dear. com.nt. Mapper, row mapper is there. Nice. New, guys, package. com.nt.extractor. com.nt.extractor. If you want to develop the custom classes as field extractor, row mapper, then this one. Now, if you want to use anonymous inner classes, those packages can be empty, boss. Those packages can be empty. Lastly, runner. com.nt.runner. I think we forgot config, guys. Runner is already taken. Must be qualified name. Oh, sorry. I have not taken package. It seems properly. Package. com.nt.runner. Next, new package. Right. com.nt.config, guys. com.nt.config. com.nt.config. Right, guys. Yeah, these are the various things, guys. Now I have to take a model class, boss. Shall we take the model class now? Come on. Shall we take the model class, guys? Yeah, exam result is my model class. Exam result is my model class. Okay, super. But have a look, guys. Okay, we are reading this one as a date. We are trying to read this one as a date. So better to take this one as what? Java.util.date na boss. Okay, private integer ID. Private date DOB. Private date DOB. Next one, guys. Private date DOB. Next. Double percentage. Double percentage. Next one is what, guys? Integer semester. Integer semester. Control plus shift plus. Yes, boss. Here is my what, guys? At the rate data. Getters and setter methods. Here is my what? Exam result dot Java. What dot Java, guys? Exam result dot Java. Here is my ID, here is my DOB, here is my percentage, here is my semester. Comfortable, guys? Yes, guys. Model class is ready, boss. Next, what are the helper? Listener, we can copy from previous project. Don't waste your time and my time. Copy these guys. Go to listener. Listener is same as previous one. Okay, let it be. Okay, listener is previous one, guys. Next, processor. Wrongly pasted. Why? Right only, na? Oh, sorry. Copy this. Copy this. Fourth one is this. Say paste. Done. Okay, guys. Next one. Next one. Yeah. This processor we develop, guys. Processor we develop. we get input as what is this? Exam result item processor. Add exam result item processor. Here is my item processor. Okay, finish. Yeah, here is my exam result, guys. Output is also exam result. Input is exam result, output is exam result. Exam result item processor. Super. Everyone clear on this point, guys? Come on. If item dot get percentage greater than or equal to 90.0 F. Okay. Return item. Else return null. One and the same. How to make it as a Spring Bean, guys? At the rate component. Or if you don't give bean ID also, no problem. The class name will become bean ID, guys. If you don't give bean ID also, not a problem. The class name will become bean ID. Okay, we are ready with processor, guys. Okay, now listen. Okay, reader needs, what reader needs, guys? Reader process each record of the generated result set using row mapper. This row mapper can be developed as a separate class or can be developed by using anonymous inner class, can be developed by using lambda expression. Suppose by row mapper, either separate, what is this? Okay, guys. Now listen carefully. Each record of generated result set object can be converted into each model class object. By using row mapper. Okay. Yeah. This row mapper we can create this row mapper, we can create either separate class or inner class or anonymous inner class or what? Lambda expression based inner class. Come on, guys. Okay. Are you understanding my statement, guys? This row mapper we can create either as separate class or inner class or anonymous inner class or lambda expression based inner class. I think lambda expression based inner class is the best. Okay, guys. As a separate class. If we develop as separate class, what I should do? Tell me. Exam result row mapper implements row mapper. Okay, cool, guys. Each record comes to map row method as a result set object. How we are doing, guys? How we are doing? Okay. Return new exam result. rs dot get int of 1, get date of 2, get double 3, get int of 4. Nothing is there, guys. They have taken in this one. For that one, we have to write no arg constructor and all arg constructor. They have simply placed. Now you observe this. What they have done? Okay, each record of result set comes to one this RS boss that we are converting into each object of model class or not. This is as a separate class. This is as a separate class. But what is the best, guys? Lambda expression based. What is the best one? Lambda expression based anonymous inner class. Okay, now listen. Syntax for lambda based interface implementation class object. Right. Interface reference variable is equal to params body of the method. Body of the method. This is the row mapper interface, guys. In this one, map row is the method having two parameters. Functional interface because it is having only one method declaration. Now listen carefully how we can write lambda based anonymous inner class, guys. Row mapper exam result row mapper is equal to params rs comma row num. Okay, any name you can take. Okay, lambda open floor bracket same code, guys. Open floor bracket same code. Okay, now you want to write in a better manner. Array, in the body only one line is there. So when one line is there, open floor bracket, closing floor bracket is optional. Did you see that, guys? See that, guys? Did you see that, guys? Come on. Either this or this. How to link with the radar object? Okay. Okay. Linking with the radar object. Linking with JDBC cursor item reader object. Yeah, tell me how to read it. Reader dot set row mapper rs comma row number lambda new exam result of this. New exam result of this. New exam result of this. Convinced, my dear? Okay. Are you comfortable, guys? Come on. Reader dot set row mapper rs comma row number new exam result. Here exam result object is converted into what? Array, each record of rs is coming into this rs, guys. Array, main rs is having bunch of records, guys. Each record comes into this rs that we are converting into exam result object. Super, guys. This code perform following operations. Yes, what is that? What is this code? Anonymous inner class is created implementing row mapper interface. That's number one. In that inner class, map row method is implemented having logic to copy result set record into model class object. Done. Number three, anonymous inner class object is created and passed to the reader dot set map row method as an argument value. In this line, three activities are happened, boss. Only the thing is we cannot feel them, but that is a specialty of what? Lambda based anonymous inner classes, guys. Once again, see this. Number one, see new. New means object creation. Anonymous inner class is created implementing row mapper interface. Cool, guys. In that inner class, map row method is implemented having logic to copy result set object record to model class object. Cool, guys. Next, anonymous inner class object is created and passed to reader as the reader dot set row mapper method as the argument value. Simply as the argument value. Simply and literally as the argument value. Convinced, my dear? Got the clarity, my dear? Come on. Come on. Convinced or not convinced? Super. Okay. Look at the sample code, guys. Look at the sample code. JDBC cursor reader, create reader at the rate bean method in config class, guys. Where in batch config class. Yes, boss. Now listen. Object created, leave it. Data source set, leave it. Reader dot set SQL. Array select Corira. Nothing great. Same thing. Whatever I discussed there, that has come now, boss. That has come now, boss. Okay, fine. Cool. Next, concentrate. Same thing I can prepare through builders. Nowadays, builders are very, very useful, Babu. Very, very useful. Return new JDBC cursor item reader builder dot data source ds dot SQL this dot bean row mapper exam result dot class. Internally use bean property row mapper to convert record of RS to given model class object. But DB table columns and model class property names must match. Property names must match. Must and should match or not? Definitely must and should match, guys. Okay. Yeah, whatever you comfortable, you do it. I don't mind. I'll give both. Since I'm taking lambda expression based inner classes for mapper ball, do I need to have this package? No. Okay. Do I need to have this package? Not required. But shall I go to batch config and shall I start implementing that? But before that, go to resources. Okay. Go to resources. Spring batch configurations. Spring dot batch dot always right. Spring dot batch dot job dot enabled false. Job dot enabled false. Provide JDBC driver details. Provide JDBC driver details. Okay. Tell me, guys, what is this? Provide JDBC driver details. Yeah, Dheeraj will get. Continue. It will collect the updated data. Don't worry. Tell me, what is this data source, guys? Spring dot data source dot driver hyphen class. Are JDBC driver class name is what? Com dot MySQL dot CZ dot JDBC dot driver. Spring dot data source dot URL. JDBC colon MySQL colon. What is the logical database name, guys? Exam underscore data. Exam underscore data. Super, guys. Spring dot data source dot username root. Spring dot data source dot password root, guys. Comfortable, my dear? Got it? Data source dot password root. Nice. Done, boss. Is that clear? I hope you understood the basic story, guys. Done. Okay, now let's go to batch config.java, guys. Package already done. Na? Batch config.java. Class, boss. Batch config.java. Yeah, how to make it as configuration class, my dear? @configuration. Cool. @enable batch process. Super. Component is not required, waste fellows. Okay. Job builder factory. JB factory. @auto. Private. Tell me. Step builder factory. Step builder factory. What is this? SB factory. @auto. Yes, boss. Private job monitoring listener. LISTRNER. @auto. Next. Job monitoring listener, guys. What's the next one, guys? Private readers anyway @bean method. Processor. Okay. Exam result item processor. Exam result. Sorry. Exam result item processor. Processor @auto. There is exam result item processor @auto. Super, guys. Tell me. Public. Yeah. Tell me next one. Public. What is there? Public. First reader will try to. JDBC cursor. JDBC cursor. Item reader. Exam result. Create reader, Babu. Create reader. Yeah. Tell me. @B. Yeah, if you don't take name also not a issue, it will go with the file. Create reader a class object. Item reader. What is this? Exam result. Reader is equal to JDBC cursor item reader. Super. Yeah. Next one. Specify data source. Okay. Ragini is fine. @Spring Boot application contain is there on main class, na? You are asking this question means I think you are new to the batch. Madam, this annotation is there on main class, but you want to make some other class as configuration class, na? Okay. Ragini is fine, madam. We want to see separate class as configuration class or main class as configuration class. This internally contains @configuration, fine. That's why it has become configuration class. But you are interested to see what? Madam, respond. You want to see some other class as configuration class, right? Okay. That indicates lack of practice. Specify set data source. Reader dot set data source ds. Ayyo, we forgot data source injection, Rabab. Private data source ds. @auto void. @auto void. Cool, guys. Next, specify query. SQL query to get the records. Specify SQL query to get the records. Tell me, guys. Reader dot. What is that, guys? Reader dot. Set SQL. Reader dot set SQL. Tell me, what is this? Select. What is that, guys? Select. What are the table columns, Babu? ID, DOB, semester, percentage. ID, DOB, semester, percentage. ID, DOB, semester, percentage. I think reverse, First semester, then percentage. First semester, then percentage. Okay, we'll try to maintain the same thing. From exam underscore result. Exam underscore result. Specify SQL query to get records, guys. Next one. Specify SQL queries to get the records, guys. Specify SQL queries to get the records. After that, what is the next story, guys? What's the next story? Specify mapper. Specify row mapper. Okay. To convert each record of RS2 model class object. Model class object, guys. Reader dot set mapper, guys. Set row mapper. Now here, what is this? RS comma row num. RS comma row num. Super. RS comma row num. New exam result of RS dot get int of 1 comma RS dot get string of 2. Not get string of get date of 2. Nice, guys. RS dot, here constructor comes in which order, Babu? That also matters. 1 minute. We'll take it percentage. This one. We'll change the order. Right, boss. RS dot. Tell me. Get RS dot. Come on. Next one, rs dot get decimal, not get decimal. Array get double of 3. Get double of 3. rs dot tell me, get rs dot get integer of 4. Get int of 4. Semicolon ra babu. Acha, already there. Okay, now tell me, I think this is enough ra babu. Constructor is done. Return new. Okay, I think I have to say return new. What's happening, guys? Return new exam result. Swap arguments, get double 3, get into 4. Get double 3, get into 4. No, actually code is updated na. Clean and rebuild. Clean and rebuild. One minute. Return reader. That is satisfied. Open floor bracket. Get data of 2. Get double of 3. Get int of 4. Int date double int. Int date double int. Right now I added rightly only now, boss. Where is going wrong, guys? No problem. Oh, right. Yes. Right, boss. This is 3, percentage is 4. Yes, comma. Done, boss. Cool. At the rate bin, JDBC cursor item writer. This is reader object, data source, SQL, row mapper. Everything is okay na, boss? End of the method. Here is the end of the method. Okay. If you feel this is difficult, don't worry, my dear. If you feel this is difficult, don't worry, my dear. Right. We'll do another way. We'll see another way. Don't worry. Builder story is there now, boss. We'll go by builder. Yes, guys. What is the builder one? Return new JDBC cursor. Item reader builder. Here is what? Exam result. Here is my exam result, guys. Here is my exam result. Dot data source DS. Dot data source DS. Dot. Tell me next one. SQL. Dot SQL. This is the SQL. Dot bean mapper, something row mapper. Some method, interesting method will be there. Bean row mapper. Okay, hey, this is gone wrong. Okay, bean row mapper. Bean row mapper. Understanding my statement, guys? Arey, you need not to write everything, ra. You just write class name. It will take care of everything. Exam result dot class. Oh, sorry, it's my mistake. What is the class, guys? Exam result dot class. Okay. Dot. I think lastly build. Three things are required. All three things are enough. What is in which you are comfortable? You tell me that we follow. But this is simplifying your life. This is definitely simplifying your life, guys. Yeah, I will write at the rate Bean Ra Babu. What is there in that? At the rate Bean as reader part is done, guys. So shall we concentrate on writer part, guys? First detailed one. Public file writer, exam result, create writer, object creation. Cool. Set source, new file system resource, this one. Specify the location, where you want to write that location. Where you want to write that location. Now listen, this is very crucial, guys. Writer dot set line aggregator, delimited line aggregator, anonymous subclass, and instance block. Their delimiter. Again, there what you are calling field set extractor. Again, there one more. See, sub. One more subclass and instance block. There we are specifying the names. There we are specifying the names. There we are specifying the names. I think you got the clarity, guys. Okay. No, this we can write in total 3 styles. Total how many styles? 3 styles. This is, if you see this style directly, you don't understand. We will go for what? We will go for detailed one first. Detailed one first. Then I will give this style. Lastly, I will give builder one. Okay. This is reader version 1, guys. In our style, reader version 1. Nice, guys. Reader version 2. Reader version 2, guys. Okay. Writer version 1. Not the one that is there. I'm going to give a new one, guys. Public flat file item writer exam result create writer. Public flat file item writer exam result create writer. Create writer class object. Flat file item writer exam result writer is equal to flat file item writer. Super, guys. Specify the location of destination file. Okay. Writer dot set resource new file system resource. Array anything you can use. E:/ CSVS/. Come on. Okay. Top brains. Array some name Rababu. CSV. Top brains /CSV. That's a cool thing, guys. File system resource we have to import. Next. Yeah. Inspire from this and write it. Delimiter line aggregator. Okay. For this one, this is required. This is required. Okay, guys. First, we will try to go for bean wrapper field extractor. Create field extractor object. Tell me, bean wrapper field extractor. Bean wrapper field extractor. Exam result. Extractor is equal to new bean wrapper field extractor of extractor dot set names id comma dob comma. Okay, next semester comma percentage. Extractor dot set names. What's the problem, guys? Oh, it is expecting string array. Sorry. It is not Varrox method, guys. It is expecting string array. Cool, na? Okay. This is done. Names are set, guys. Names are set. How new line will be added? This delimited will take it. Delimited line aggregator is there, na? That will take care of that subject. Okay. Array, this is setting the names, guys. Now tell me next one. Okay. Create line aggregator. Line aggregator that builds the line having model class object data. Model class object data, guys. Yes, boss. Tell me, guys. Delimited line aggregator. What is this? Exam result. Delimited line aggregator. Super, guys. Delimited line aggregator. Tell me. Line aggregator dot set delimiter, comma. Line aggregator dot set field extractor. Oh, okay. Set line aggregator to writer object. Writer dot set line aggregator. Return writer. Everyone understood my statement, guys? This is writer object, guys. This is detailed code. Detailed code. No, this is detailed code. You want to make it simple code? Yes, let's make it simple code, guys. Up to this, fine, regular one. I'll give all the 3 versions. Here also @ bean is there. I forgot to add. Here also @bean will be there. I forgot to add. Yes, guys. Now listen carefully. Set line aggregator having delimiter comma field extractor. Okay. Other day we discussed it now, boss. Subclasses, instance blocks, all this stuff. Remembered the story. Written writer. Okay, fine. Tell me here. Writer dot set line aggregator new delimited line aggregator. New delimited line aggregator. New delimited line aggregator. Okay, guys. New delimiter line aggregator. Set delimiter, comma. Next. Next one. Set field extractor. New bean wrapper. Field extractor. Again, here also same thing, Ra Babu. Field extractor. Set names. New string array of. See, same thing was in a shorter version. Same thing in a shorter version, my dear. New string array of these names. Done. Okay, guys. Line number 101. What should I add, guys? Closing floor bracket. Why? Why? These two are matched. These two are matched. End of the method. Line number 87. Yeah, that is right now. Open floor bracket. Yeah, here closing. Acha, class is not closed. Okay. This is end of the method. Super. But this is version 2, guys. Writer version 2. Writer version 2. Next. Are you enjoying my versions, guys? Are you thoroughly enjoying the way I'm giving multiple ways? Your builder is your favorite, I know that. But yeah, if someone writes other code, you should be in a position to understand. That's why I'm telling. Okay. Flat file item writer builder. Dot. Array, where is the set destination? Oh, fine. Set resource. Resource. Tell me. New file system resource. New file system resource. Dot. Dot. Next one is what, guys? Delimited. Yes. Delimited dot delimiter. Array, होशियार को इशारा काफी है. Other day we have seen all these things. Next one. Field extractor. Field extractor. Do I need to mention that field extractor, guys? Now 1 minute. Set names. Names. Okay. You try to put the names, Ra Babu. Here array is not required. Here it is allowing. Names. Next, set target. Target type not there. Target type is not there. Oh, so what is next one? Aggregator. Line separator. Line aggregator. Line aggregator. Is it expecting still I should develop everything? Line aggregator. Line aggregator. Should I mention line aggregator? And 1 minute. 1 minute. Don't worry, Rababu. Do I need to mention sample code for 1 minute? Sample code for flat file item writer builder. Item writer builder. Item writer builder, guys. Item writer builder. What is this? Flat file reader. We don't need reader. Okay. We have to set everything manually. Yeah? Line mapper. Where is that builder is used, Babu? Builder should be used, na? Flat file item reader builder. Flat file builder. I don't need flat file item reader builder. Is it source code, guys? Who asked you source code, madam? One minute. Flat file item reader builder. Let's see in the documentation. Is there any sample code? Is there any sample code? No. Transactional 99999. Okay, since target type is not there, Rababu. Since target type is not there, I think we'll execute this code only. Don't worry. Dot delimiter is mentioned, guys. Then what is there? Line aggregator is there. This one. Field extractor is there. Okay, we'll mention field extractor. Dot extractor. Right, it's not giving extractor also. Why so now? Delimited is over. Field extractor, that is also not coming. Why so? Just now we have seen a line separator. Line aggregator is there, right? Line aggregator is there. Line aggregator is there. Line aggregator means new delimited line aggregator. Exam result. Okay. Dot build. Here also exam result. Here also exam result, guys. Line aggregator, this one. I think somewhere field extractor also should be there. Extractor is not there, boss. Extractor is not there. Look at API documentation. Nowhere extractor we found. We forgot. Not there, Babu. Not there. Not there. Observe, all these methods are seriously giving what, guys? All these methods are seriously giving same class objects, their own class objects. Did you notice it? Line aggregator is there, but is not there. Okay. So not required, guys. Not required. Anyhow, here we mentioned target type. Here also we mentioned target type. From there only it will get it. This is one more thing. Fine. Yeah. Once again, see this. Resource, cool. Delimited, cool. Names, cool. Line aggregator, cool. Field extractor, it will collect internally and automatically. You need not to worry about it. Thank you, guys. Tomorrow we finish this application, then we will go for other things. Okay. Right. Thank you, guys.